Good day, Mama Sir. I am Joan Magnaye Delgado, 34 years old, currently living in Barangay San Andres, Candelaria, Quezon. I am married and I have two kids, a 14 years old boy and a 4 years old girl. I have 4 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the eldest of the family. I am high school graduate and I also taking a course of caregiving so I could learn more on how to take care infants and elderly. I have an experience before as a babysitter for 2 years from year 2018 until year 2020. My duties are taking care a newborn baby and a 4 years old boy, doing household chores and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. I also have an experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for almost 2 years from year 2022 until year 2024. My duties are doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and car washing, and taking care of a 12 years old girl. I serve 4 members of the family. I am hardworking and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities as well. Mom and Sir, if you choose me as your helper, I promise to do my best and I always follow your rules and regulation and always follow your instruction. Thank you and I hope to see you soon, Mom and Sir.